wholesale fertilizer company, and we also transload truck, rail, and barge. Last December, we started a new project. We did a complete demo on our old dock that doubled capacity at the dock. We looked at upgrading. So behind me is the Mantsinen 60M. It is the smallest material handler that Mantsinen makes. We just put this into use about a month ago. The capacity of this machine is far beyond the other machine, and then just the overall cycle time of moving the product from the barge to the hopper is much faster. This machine right here is light years ahead of what we had before. The comfortability, the operator being able to see everything. The machine sits up high enough that anybody can walk around it. It's out of the swing radius, where the old machine, we had to mark off where it was. About 2 months into the new dock project, we pulled the trigger on starting a new 20,000 plus ton warehouse. It also will have the receiving system that's the same down here. So it'll be able to receive at 600 ton per hour off the barge, which is faster than anything we're doing on the property right now. All the machines that we've had before had tracks on them. We've never had one with wheels. Because of the new construction at the dock and outside the dock being completely surrounded with concrete, we decided to go with a wheeled machine for less tearing of the concrete up. In this machine, the cab can operate from any angle or any height within the cab movement. It has sensors on it so that if the bucket gets too close to the cab, because the cab can be in variable positions, that it'll override the system. It won't lock it out, you just gotta move it back further away. Gives you a little alarm system on it. The other thing inside the cab, just like all your new trucks and cars, it's got a Bluetooth radio on it, so you can talk hands-free. And then also, you got a heated seat, ventilated seat, auto climate control. If you're gonna put an operator in this for 10 hours, we wanna make sure that he's in the machine that's gonna provide the least amount of fatigue. Everything on the material handler is a Mantsinen, with the exception to the clamshell bucket. We went from a 3.5 yard bucket to a 5 yard bucket. So you're looking at 60% less buckets depending on the material. So you're cutting time down right there, but you're also running lower hours on the machine versus the old machine. So you're efficient that way also. The new material handler does have a longer boom and a longer stick, so it will reach further than the old one. Outside of the machine, having the winches, running the barges in high water is going to be a huge help. We haven't seen high water yet, so we haven't seen that, but being able to have a little more reach will help out with that also. No matter what brand you go with, you're only as good as the people who can service you. We have a great mechanic on board, but then we also have them being available after hours during our normal hours is a huge plus also. It's no problem. They're going to make it happen.